Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the reset flow. Open the Google Home app and make sure Bluetooth and location are allowed. The app discovers devices that way. If the device is already listed, press its tile, then Device Settings. If it's offline or you're switching routers, you'll perform a factory reset. Press and hold the center button on the Mini for about 10 seconds until lights flash. Once done, the Mini reboots and enters setup mode. Once your Mini is in setup mode, return to the Home app and tap the plus icon, then set up device and new device. Select your home and wait as the app scans. You'll confirm a short sound or code to verify you've selected the correct speaker. Next, choose the Wi-Fi network you want the Mini to use. Enter the password exactly, including capitalization and symbols, because small mismatches block authentication. After you tap Join, the app negotiates credentials and provisions the device on the new network. You finish by confirming the device shows as online in the Google Home app and allowing any firmware update to complete. Name the speaker and test voice commands. If the Mini fails to connect, reboot the router and the Mini, then try setup again. Temporary DHCP or channel issues often resolve with a restart. If discovery still fails, forget Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone and reconnect, then repeat setup. This clears stale caches that can block the discovery and pairing process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.